Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop or disable autoplay audio or video in your Microsoft Edge browser. We will see how to stop it. Open Microsoft Edge browser and here click on three horizontal line against top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here choose the option privacy, search and services. Here scroll down and you will find the option site permissions. Click on it. Here you will find all sites, recent activity, all permissions. Click on all permissions and here scroll down and look for the option media autoplay. Here you will find control if audio and video play automatically on sites. Here three options available: allow, limit or block. If you want to stop, then choose block, otherwise you can also choose limit. That's all.